Welcome to Monday's Miracle Moment. I'm Reverend Diane Lund, and we have a quote from A Course in Miracles. I'll share my screen. Here is the quote. The quote for this week, very simple, from Lesson 78. Let miracles replace all grievances. One more time, let miracles replace all grievances. Such a simple one, but something that we all do. We all carry grievances. And the way the Course puts it, I like the way the Course puts it, so I'm going to read it to you here. Today we will attempt to see God's Son. We will not let our grievances be blind to Him. We will not look upon our grievances. We will select one person you have used as a target for your grievances and lay those grievances aside and look at Him. Someone perhaps you fear and even hate. Someone you think who angered you, someone you called friend, but whom you see as difficult at times or hard to please, demanding, irritating, or untrue to the ideal you should accept as his, according to the role you set for him. Such an interesting exercise, and we are going to look at it at Monday's study group, which will be October 24th, 9:30 to 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, and we'll be looking at who is that one person that you tend to project grievances onto. You find them demanding, you find them irritating, you're angered by them, or perhaps they just don't get you and they always just kind of subtly put you down or throw digs your way or whatever. We're going to work on what the Course says, how to bring forgiveness to that situation, because they say every grievance is like a shield of darkness that you hold between you and the light. So you don't really see the individual, you see the behavior you don't like. That's the grievance, is the behavior. It's not the person. So we want to remove focusing on the behavior and look deeper into appreciation of the person. And at that point, you can forgive the person or let go of that grievances. So if this interests you, we will be doing it online. So no matter where you are, you can join us October 24th, 9:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Bring that grievance. Let's take a look at it. Let's remove that dark shield and bring that person back into the light with you. Now, it might not be a person. It might be an institution, might be the government, might be something, the neighbor's dog. So anyways, you think about it. If you don't join us for the study group, get out your journal and start journaling about it. Why can't you let this go? And do the reversal. I talk about reverse thinking. The Course is always asking you to reverse the thinking. How do you display the same kind of traits that you want to put onto someone else and blame them for? Because we only hurt ourselves. No one else ever hurts us. We hurt ourselves. How do we do it? It's worth exploring if you want a happier and more peaceful life. So that's the work. I hope to see you online. Thanks for joining me, and bye for now.